Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about leaving topic in the time and work. Let's move to the first problem. A and B can finish a work in 3 days. They started together, but after 2 days B left the work. If the work is completed in after 2 more days, B alone could do the work in how many days? We can solve this problem in two ways, that is a shortcut method and a normal traditional method. In first, we are going to solve it in a normal traditional method. So, A plus B can finish the work in how many days? 3 days. They started the work together. After 2 days, B left the work. So, for 2 days, A and B have work. So, A and B 2 days work is 2 into 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. So, in 2 days, 2 by 3 part of the work is completed. What is the remaining work? Remaining work means 1 minus 2 by 3. What is the remaining work? 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So here after 2 days B left the work. Then this 1 by 3 part of the work will be completed by A. So 1 by 3 part of the work is completed by A in after 2 more days. So one entire work will be completed by A in how many days? 6 days. So what is the A efficiency is 1 by 6. So A efficiency is 1 by 6 plus B is equals to 1 by 3. From here A plus B together can complete a work in a 1 by 3. So here we have find A's efficiency, that is 1 by 6. Now we have to find B's efficiency. So B is equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, that is equals to LCM is 6, 3 2s and 6 1s, 1 by 6. So B alone can finish the work in how many days? 6 days. So this problem, this is seems to be so lengthy. So we can solve it in a normal shortcut method, that is so for the first 2 days who have worked here, A and B together worked. Who left the work? B have left the work. So the work is completed after 2 more days. After 2 more days also the work has to be done. So who done the remaining work? A. A have done the remaining work. The work is completed means is equals to the 1. So here A plus B, so we have to split this equation. 2A plus 2B plus 2A is equals to 1. 2A means 4A plus 2B is equals to 1. Here we have to find the B alone can do the work in how many days. So we have to convert A in terms of B. So given that A plus B together can finish it in a 1 by 3 days. So B is equals to 1 by 3 minus A. So here B in terms of A, but we have to find B part. So we have to write A is equals to 1 by 3 minus B. So we have to find a B value. So we have to convert A in terms of B. That is 4 of 1 by 3 minus B plus 2B is equals to 1. So 4 by 3 minus 4B plus 2B is equals to 1. So here 4 by 3 minus 1 is equals to 2B. 4 by 3, that is 2B is equals to 4 minus 3 by 3, that is 1 by 3. That is B is equals to 1 by 6. So B alone can finish the work in how many days? 6 days. So we can solve this problem either in a shortcut equation method. So in the shortcut method, the main theme is we have to frame the equation correctly. So by that we can get the answer very simply. In the normal traditional method, we have to find the remaining work and A's remaining work, and it have to be find one day work also. It seems to be very lengthy. Shortcut is a very easy and we can get answer easily. So move to the next problem. Ajay can do a piece of work in 25 days and Sanjay can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then Ajay goes away. How many days Sanjay finished the remaining work? So let's see. Ajay can finish the work in 25 days and Sanjay can finish it in 20 days. They worked for how many days? 5 days. So Ajay plus Sanjay is 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. What is the LCM here? 100. 25 fours 25, that is 9 by 100. So A plus S one day work is 9 by 100. So they work together for 5 days. A plus S 5-day work is 9 into 5 by 100. So that is 5 ones 5 20s. 9 by 20. And then Ajay goes away. Here Ajay went, so we have to find the remaining work. Remaining work is 1 minus 9 by 20, that is 11 by 20. So Ajay went. Who done the remaining work? Sanjay. So 11 by 20 part of the work is completed by Sanjay. So here we know that Sanjay efficiency is Sanjay can complete one work in 20 days. So 11 by 20 into 20. 20 gets cancelled, that is 11 days. So Sanjay can complete the remaining portion of a work in 11 days. So we have to solve it in a shortcut method. So Ajay plus Sanjay together worked for 5 days and Ajay goes away. So here Sanjay worked for how many days? We don't know how many days he worked. That is x is equals to 1. So Ajay means 1 by 25. Sanjay means 1 by 20 into 5 plus Sanjay part is 1 by 20 into x is equals to 1. So we have to make a LCM here. 25 fours, 25s into 5. 5 ones, 5 20s plus 1 by 20 x is equals to 1. 9 by 20 plus 1 by 20 x is equals to 1. Here 1 by 20x is equals to 1 minus 9 by 20, that is equals to 11 by 20 x into 20, that is 20 cancel, x is equals to 11 days. So Sanjay alone can complete the work in how many days? 11 days. So move to the next problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 60 days and 75 days respectively. Both begin together. After a certain time, A leaves off. In such case, B finished the remaining work in 30 days. How many days did A leave? So we can solve this problem first in a shortcut method. A plus B together work for x days and then B finish the remaining work in 30 days, that is equals to 1. A's efficiency is 1 by 60 and B's is 1 by 75 into x plus 1 by 75 into 30 is equals to 1. So here what is the LCM for 60 and 75 means 75 is the greatest number. So here 75 is the greatest number. 75 twos is 150 and 75 fours is a 300. So 300 is the LCM. 65 is 300 and 75 fours into x plus 30 by 75 is equals to 1. So 9x by 300 is equals to 1 minus 30 by 75. So 30 by 75 that is 5 6 5 5 ones 5 and then 5 twos 3 twos 3 fives that is 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 that is equals to 3 by 5. So 9x by 300 is equals to 3 by 5. So 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones, 3 hundreds, 5 ones, 5 twenties. So x is a 1 by 20. So here A had left the work after 20 days. So A and B worked together for 20 days. So that's it. And let's move to the next problem. Ajay and Sunil together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Sunil and Sanjay in 15 days. And Sanjay and Ajay in 20 days. They worked together for 6 days. Then Ajay leaves. Sunil and Sanjay worked together for 4 more days. Sunil leaves. How long will Sanjay take to complete the work? First, we have to write the given data first. Ajay plus Sunil in 10 days. Sunil plus Sanjay in 15 days. Sanjay plus Ajay in 1 by 20 days. So we have to find all of them together. So Ajay, we have to add all these equations. So we can get 2 Ajays, 2 Sunils and 2 Sanjays. So we take 2 common. 2 of Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay is equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Here 20 is the largest number. So 23 is 60 is multiplied by all these numerals. So 60 is the LCM. 10 6 15 4 23. That is 13 by 60. So Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay is equals to 13 by 120. So what had given here? They worked together for 6 days. So we have to find a 6 days work. Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay 6-day work is 13 by 120 into 6. 6 ones 6 twos. That is 13 by 20. And then Sunil and Sanjay worked for 4 more days. Sunil plus Sanjay. 1 day work is 1 by 15. 4 days work is 4 by 15. So, and Sunil leaves. Here Sunil will left off. So, the remaining work will be done by Sanjay only. So, we have to find the remaining part of the work. Remaining work, that is 1 minus 13 by 20 minus 4 by 15. So that is equals to, here also same, 60 is the LCM. 60 minus 23 is 13 is 39 minus 15 fours 60, 4 fours 16. That is 39 plus 60. 60 minus 55 by 60. That is 5 by 60. That is 5 ones, 5 twelves. 1 by 12. 1 by 12 part of the work is remaining. So it is done by who? It is done by, first of all, Ajay leaves off and then Sunil leaves. Sanjay. Sanjay will complete. So Sanjay have to complete 1 by 12 part of the work in how many days? We have to find this. So from this, Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay, we have to subtract Ajay and Sunil, so that we have to find the Sanjay's efficiency. So from here, Sanjay is equals to 13 by 120 minus Ajay plus Sunil. How much? 1 by 10. So 120 is the LCM. 13 minus 12. So that is 1 by 120. So we have to. So here his efficiency is how much? 1 by 120. 1 by 120. So he can complete a one work in 120 days. So 1 by 12 part of the work. So 120, that is 12 ones, 12 tens. So Sanjay alone can complete the work in how many days? 10 days. That's it about this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.